Today we are going to discuss about how to find a long running queries in SQL Server and killing that appropriate session to boost up the performance. So that the bottleneck causing the queries in many scenarios we can discuss, but I'm going to take one simple use case like a developer running a query wrongly with the infinite loop. That particular process we are going to run it and make sure that particular session is spoiling the performance and utilizing more CPU, and so we want to kill the process, so to release the session. Okay, let us quickly jump into that. Like now I have two session, one session to verify the long running query, and the other session I am going to run the infinite loop as a use case. So this is the simple block I have it, assuming that the developer is running this one in a session. Okay, so before running to that, let me run this. Like this var class, this is the this is the query will help you to understand. So what is the what is the session holding up the resources? Okay, so there is no resources holding anything now, but the current query only what you see it here. But now if I run it in the other session, so infinite loop query, this query goes for a infinite loop and causing a problem, performance problem, and using more CPU. So if I run the query, the performance means like to check the long running query. So I can see now the new session have been added, like 71. So this the block which I just now showed you, right? This block is going infinite loop. Inside that while block I use the continue and the construct also true in both the condition. It will never end up. So to kill this session, so we have already the session ID here. Okay, so we found the problematic session, right? So use the command kill and the session ID 71. Okay, and select it and kill it. Okay, and now the session got killed. So this is the way you can find the bottleneck causing the query which is running for more time. But generally we can put an additional condition here to filter it. In our testing purpose I didn't put this var class. What is the total elapsed time? Okay, so if you put the total elapsed time, it is in milliseconds by default, 2 minutes, like okay, so it's like 120k it's like so this is what, like if you divide it by, so this is the 120 seconds. So if you want to, by default it will be in milliseconds. Okay, yeah, this is the way we can handle the long running query, finding the bottleneck and killing that appropriate session and release the resources, so that the performance will be boosted up back to the normal. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Reach me out for any questions. Thank you. Bye.